So again, you see that there is a lot to learn in this company, especially on this side of academy. Uh, well, let's go to Facebook marketing. What do they teach? A couple of things, I guess. In Facebook marketing, let me click again. Yes, what is latest Facebook marketing all about? Chapters from 1 to 20 chapters. The last is latest Facebook marketing frequently asked questions. Wow, I love this. I'm definitely going to check this, even though I'm a teacher. Let's look inside TikTok marketing. Guys, so many people don't know about TikTok. What is TikTok all about? Signing up for TikTok. TikTok work through chapter 1 up to chapter 20. The last chapter is TikTok marketing frequently asked questions. Oh dear. You can purchase these courses for as much as maybe $300 separately if you go to a different service provider. Then when you are inside your account, you can go to groups, Telegram, WhatsApp, Zoom. You can get links, and yeah, you will be able to manage your account. Wow, wow, wow. I think I like this, and I'm definitely going to invite people. Starting is 25 US dollars, and you get to benefit all these things. Marketing materials, they are inside there. Business presentation, you click on it, it will open. Yes. So that's it, guys. And I interest you to join this company. Uh, the smallest package is $25. You get a custom web page, back office, participate in compensation plan, get rewards, get into the academy, and business center 50, business center 100. Benefits are different. Business center 200, business center 400, and business center 800. Wow, wow, wow. So here they show you statistics of how people are using currencies worldwide. Yes. And here they are brokers and the cryptocurrencies that they are trading. Yeah, that's it. That's all about Merakinet. So you are free to join this company, and I promise, I think you will never regret this.